In step 3 of the Business Finance Suite, we help your customers obtain real usable credit that helps them establish their initial business credit profile and score. This is one of the biggest mistakes that people make when building business credit. They walk into their bank, they walk into Staples, Office Depot, Lowe's, Home Depot, and think that they're going to go in and get credit for their business without using their social, without a personal guarantee. But unfortunately, as they quickly realize, they'll get denied. Why is this? Because all major retailers are the same. They want you to have some kind of established credit profile and score that's positive before they'll approve you for credit. This is the same in the consumer world as it is in the business world. You can't walk into Staples with absolutely no consumer credit and get a credit card to start your credit profile and score. You can't walk into Staples and get a business credit card when you have no credit established to start building your business credit profile and score. The key is to walk into Staples, walk into Home Depot, Lowe's, these retailers where you already have trade lines reporting, where you already have accounts that are paid as agreed and positive with positive business credit profiles and scores. And in doing so, that's the ticket to actually getting approved. So in step 3, we help your customers get approved for sources that will approve them even if they have no credit already and even if they're a brand new startup business. Once they get approved and use this credit, it then reports to the business credit reporting agencies. It gives them trade lines or what are called payment experiences on their credit report. Then they can start moving on to getting more and more credit in the future tiers or the future rounds of business credit building and the additional steps. Now, each source in the actual business credit or in the business finance suite actually will come in and give them one click to apply, one click to even learn more, and we'll even tell them when they qualify as they've navigated through the additional steps. Now, some sources you may not even know about, you may not even know exist, and that's because we diligently look to find sources that will offer this kind of credit to businesses that don't already have credit established and report it to the business reporting agencies. And these are often sources that very few, if any, people even know about, like Behalf.com. With each listing, we say who they actually report to, the type of product or service being offered, the description of what the company actually does, and exactly what it takes to qualify. This is a really big deal because none of these sources publish their underwriting guidelines. And good luck if you try to call them and get them to disclose those underwriting guidelines. We've really mastered this process of having our team be able to add new sources and verify new sources constantly. That way you and your customers have access to the most up-to-date business credit building information available today. And you have things like the underwriting guidelines for each source. So this way you can make sure that you meet the criteria before you even apply, knowing you have a great chance of getting approved before you even fill out the application. If there's any kind of cost or fees, we list those, the terms the actual company offers. There's even videos with several sources that will walk through and show you the actual approval process so you can see exactly what's involved with getting approved. This step is a crucial step. Step 3 is really one of the most important steps when it comes to business credit building, because this is the part where a customer establishes their actual business credit report, establishes their actual business credit score. And then once that is established, they use that to springboard off of to start obtaining real usable revolving credit at most major retailers. So in step 3, your customers get access to real usable credit that will help them build their business, grow their business, as well as establish their essential business credit profiles and scores. And once they obtain at least 3 accounts, then they're able to move on to other steps where they're able to get even more net 30 and revolving credit with most major retailers, where they can continue to build their business credit while obtaining high limit revolving credit accounts.